Drake being Drake. Getting down that. Going to see that. Alright, here we go. One step.
Don't fall and bust your fat ass.
2 step. Shut up, Daniel. 3 step. Slip. Ah, shit. Alright, catch me. Here I come.
Oh, shit.
Okay, we're good. And now we're on the rocks. Going on a safari. Going on a safari today. As you can see, it's a little difficult to do this because I have flip-flops on. Yeah, and he's got like 2 different colored shoes. Let's do some cool action shots. As I'm filming this, I'm getting hit with mist. Daniel is being daredevilish and going closer to the raging water stuff. As you can see, these rocks are kind of wet. As of yesterday, they were covered with water from this thing. It was flowing down there quite nicely. And this is part 2 of Drake doing stupid shit with Daniel. Thanks for filling in.